Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how to set or change your nickname on BingX application. First of all, launch open the BingX app on your device and log in. From the main homepage of BingX, tap on your profile avatar or your icon at the top left corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll open up this expanded menu where you'll need to click on your email at the top. This will open up the personal info section and click on nickname. Now, if you've already set up your nickname, it will be displayed on the page. If you haven't, you'll need to type one and click confirm. You can always change your nickname again by tapping the nickname button and erasing the current one and typing a new one. So that is how you can easily change or set your nickname on BingX account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.